scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cholinesterase sounds tricky, but this one is fast. Decode hydrolysis, match the enzyme's job, and the correct choice basically reveals itself. Hydrolysis is the key word here because hydro means water and lysis means split. So the process breaks a molecule's covalent bond by adding a water molecule. Since cholinesterase catalyzes the hydrolysis of acetylcholine, its function is helping that exact reaction happen faster, not removing water, and definitely not building new covalent bonds. That knocks out B, C, and D because each one contradicts hydrolysis, so option A is the only answer that matches the definition. Well done! Option A, scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given word hydrolysis, then check each choice against that definition.